So it's finally Mobile Suit Monday, or whatever day you decided to watch this, and I decided to repossess my body so that we could build the Aerial from Mobile Suit Gundam, the Witch from Mercury. I know you're probably like, oh, this is a high grade, and yes it is. I've been requested a lot to actually build a high grade because a lot of people have been in my comments saying stuff like, oh, does it have to be a master grade? Does it have to be a real grade? Are high grades okay? And yes, high grades are great. Don't feel the need to have to build a master grade or a real grade because that's what you see all the other hobbyists are doing. It's totally fine to build a high grade or even an entry grade if you want to. Like, build whatever you want, build whatever you're comfortable with. Because how else are you going to enjoy the hobby if you're forcing yourself to go into higher calibers? It's totally fine to build a high grade. And that's why I'm building one right now, because I want to show you that high grades are actually very nice. Like, they have a lot of detail. The stickers are really nice. I know a lot of people want water slides, but the stickers are really nice. And it's a nice way to just, spend your afternoon or however long you want to spend on it. But yeah, no, like, this hobby is for everyone, guys. And that's another reason why I do this on my channel. Like, my channel is pretty much my hobbies, and I want to show you guys how easy it is to get into them and how fun they can be. I love building Gundams. I love 3D modeling / printing out my own stuff so that I can do my own 3D models, because eventually I do want to make my own resin kit. Like, that would be so cool to make like my own custom Gundam, and then after that make a resin kit for it to be more detailed. So like these are like my dreams, and I would love for you guys to be able to enjoy the hobby too. Like, obviously you don't have to have like this crazy idea like me where you want to build your own Gundam and build your own like resin kit, but like, if you want to be in this hobby, like, just do it. Don't feel intimidated by having to get the higher grades. Just pick whatever you want. Like, when I first got into Gundam, it wasn't even from like the show or the manga or even the books. It was literally, I was in a hobby store with my mom, and she told me, hey, like, you wanna buy something? And I saw the High New Gundam, and it was a chibi version, so it's the SD version of it, and that was my first Gundam, and I had so much fun building it that I got into the series, got into the books, I got into the manga, and it's just fun. Like, you don't even have to be into Gundam like that if you don't want to and you just want to build the kits. Model kits are wonderful and fun. So, like, as I said, it's a hobby, and sometimes it's just nice to put something together, whether it takes an afternoon or a week or two, like a puzzle or whatever, and you just feel so satisfied once it's done, and it's just really nice. So yeah, I know I went on that long rant, and we're pretty much already done. Really like the details of this kit. Like, it's really nice because, high grades are very detailed. I don't care what people say. Like, obviously they're not as detailed as a real grade. I would say real grades are like packed with details. The little intricate things that you're just like, oh my goodness, like, they'll all be individual pieces. But in a high grade, they might be in a bulk piece, but even as a bulk piece, they still look really good because the molding is really nice. Oh yeah, I gotta do the YouTube thing. Make sure you hit that like button, guys. I heard that there's like a new animation that plays when you say hit the like button. It might have already happened. And there's also an animation that plays when you say, oh, and make sure you subscribe. Like and subscribe. There's apparently animations for that now. But I'll probably put my own thing on the screen just in case, because I don't trust YouTube. this is the Aerial. This is how she looks completed. But if you want to go the extra mile, you can get Gundam markers or you can get panel liner. To use panel liner, a little goes a long way. Our next build is going to be a Zaku. I'm not going to tell you which one, but we're going to do a Zaku. And if you want to see that, make sure you do hit that subscribe button. That way you'll be notified when I do that, because YouTube does hold my channel hostage and you will never see this channel again, even if you're subscribed. So please hit that bell. But yeah, guys, make sure you take care of yourself, drink some water, and of course, stay spooky.